Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I will be showing to you guys how to come up with new strategies and how to advance your trading or make your trading even better in the stock market for better future. Now to come up with new strategies and learn new different things about the stock market, you must read books related to the stock market. You must do your research, you must read charts, you must come up with effective strategy. You should try each and every strategy in the stock market by looking at these charts, and in that way you will going to learn in the stock market. Now I don't know about the seminars and the conferences. I've learned trading my way. I've learned from books. I've learned from by watching videos on the YouTube, by looking at different traders, by coming up with new studies, by looking at the different charts, analyzing different charts, doing my research and all of that. I've come up. I've advanced my trading in that manner. So I don't know about you, but I've did it in this method. If you maybe you have some other method as well. If you know that, please share that with me in the comment section below, and I will also have a, a hint site of a hint site about how you have learned that and I could learn that as well. So let's get started with the video of how you can learn new strategies and apply those strategies and come up with and and how can you advance your trading in the stock market. Now, as you can see right here, I pulled up a random chart. Now in this case, how would you recognize a certain strategy? How can you come up with a new strategy in the stock market? Now as you can see that this is a major downtrend going in a downward direction. Now you can see, let me mark this out. Now you can see this is moving in a downward direction. Now at this point you can see right here, this is sorry this is a major area of support level. Now you can see right here, I will drag this to some point. Now if you take a closer look at this would I'm just showing to you what strategy can you apply right here. You will have to come up with your own strategy in this point. Now if it goes down like this, continues its downward trend, continue in the bearish manner, you can also execute an effective plan at this point. I'm going to mark this another color so that it can be differentiated. Now you can see right here, I've drawn two I've come up with two strategies right here. Now the first one is that if this stock continues its downward momentum, downward trend continues in the downward direction. Now if it crosses crosses this break this trend line, this support level, and closes below, confirms its position and start to move downward, so you are going to short your position at this point. You will short your position at this point, and what if it continues touch this trend line and change its direction and move upward? So if it confirms its position at this point, you will enter at this point and move along the trend. Now this is how you would come up with a new strategies. You will have to identify your trends of where the trends are heading and how you can execute a certain strategy at that point, come up with a new strategy at that point. Now this was a strategy at this point. Now let's go back in the history and come up with a new strategy at this point. Now as you can see, this is another downtrend. I'm going to mark this blue. No, yes. Now as you can see right here, let me come up with a support level. For a support level, you will have to go back in history and recognize your support level in those manner. Right here, you can see right here that matches with that. So I'm going to move my support level down. This is my support level. Now take a closer look at this point. as you can see right here, this is my support level. So as it touches this support level, and it again start to move upward, because at this point this is the demand zone and people are willing, and investors or traders are willing to invest in the stock market at this point. So this is a demand zone, and the traders have invested in this part and they push the market upward. So now it is trading in an upward direction, and it broke this trend line as well. Now you can see, but again it at this point it broke a trend line, traded for some time in a downward direction below the support level, and again it moved upward. Now it is trading in the upward direction. Now you can see for the most of the part, now this was the previous levels that I've drawn. Now that is the method of how you can come up with an effective strategy, an effective plan, learn new strategies and all of that stuff when you're trading in the stock market. Now at each point, if you want to learn in the stock market, you want to learn new strategies, learn different moves in the stock market, do the things that I've done right here. Now this is the method of how you can come up with different strategies when you're trading in the stock market. Now this is yet again another strategy. You can see right here, broke this trend line, confirms its position, and now it is trading up in this manner. So it continues its direction in a downward direction. But what if I draw like this? What if I draw this trend line like this? So as you can see right here, it broke this trend line, traded in downward direction. Now when was this trading? Okay, 2020. So this was the starting days of the COVID-19. If this didn't happen, it would have traded above the support level and would continue its direction in the upward direction. So continue its trend in the upward direction. Now this is the previous. Now this big chunk, you're seeing the big mountain, this was trading in the after the days of the COVID-19, the past 1 year. So as you can see right here, this happened due to the COVID-19. If the COVID-19 didn't struck, this wouldn't have occurred, and it would be trading upward. And you can see right here, it would be trading upward, and you could have you wouldn't have got this chance to learn this strategy. Now by learning new strategies, you will have to load your chart and come up with different strategies in that. You will have to draw different trend lines, see what result it will give you. Also watch your videos on YouTube. That would from that you will also benefit, and if possible, if you have access to conferences and seminars, do attend those and learn. You might learn new things in those as well. And maybe there is something that I couldn't learn from seminars and conferences because I don't have access to those, and if you have, then that's great. Go to those, learn something new about the stock market, watch videos on YouTube, pull up your chart and draw different trend lines, draw different lines each and everywhere. See what strategies, where can you come up with a new strategy, and what can you learn at different position. So that's all about how to advance your trading skills, how to boost your trading skills, how to boost your trading, how to come up with new strategies. So that's all about with coming this, you would come up with a plan as well of where you can take a certain step in the stock market. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.